Hello children, how are you all? Welcome in your English class with your book Pebbles of Grammar Class 6 by Magic Mind from Galaxy Publication. Let's start chapter number 19, Prepositions. Let's learn children. Prepositions क्या होती हैं? A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in the sentence. बच्चों, प्रेपोजिशन वो वर्ड होता है जो नाउन या प्रोनाउन का रिलेशन सेंटेंस में दूसरे वर्ड्स के साथ शो करता है. इट यूजुअली इंडिकेट्स डायरेक्शन, प्लेस, टाइम, कॉज, मैनर और पोजीशन. सो ये सारी चीज़ें प्रेपोजिशन हमें बताता है कि डायरेक्शन क्या है, प्लेस क्या है, टाइम क्या है, कॉज क्या है, मैनर क्या है और पोजीशन के बारे में भी हमें प्रेपोजिशन से ही पता चलता है. Examples: the dog is under the chair. Here the word under joins the noun dog to chair, है ना, ये इसके बीच में रिलेशन सेट कर रहा है, showing position. She placed the keys on the shelf. Here the word on links the verb place to the noun shelf, showing direction or place. We are proud of our heritage. Here the word of लिंक्स द एडजेक्टिव प्राउड को लिंक कर रहा है टू द नाउन हेरिटेज के साथ. द स्टूडेंट आर्ग्यूड ओवर द प्रोजेक्ट आइडिया. हेयर द वर्ड ओवर रिलेट्स द वर्ब आर्ग्यूड टू द नाउन प्रोजेक्ट आइडिया. Thus, in the above sentences, the words under, on, off and over are prepositions. अब हम जानेंगे functions of prepositions के बारे में. Prepositions can show where something or someone is located. Okay? जैसे कि she stood at the bank of the river. She put the books on the table. So ये हमें location के बारे में बताता है. Preposition can describe movement from one place to another. एक से दूसरी जगह की movement को भी show करता है. जैसे कि we rowed the boat across the river. The arrow went through the deer. Prepositions can be used to refer to specific times or time periods. जैसे the meeting starts at 9 AM. We reached before sunset. तो हमें यहाँ पर specific time या time period का पता चला. Preposition show how something is done, कैसे कुछ किया जाता है और by what means. She wrote the note with a pencil. कैसे लिखा? पेंसिल से. The parcel was delivered by drone. Preposition can show where someone or something comes from. The letter came from my cousin in Canada. This painting is by a famous artist. Preposition can show destination of someone or something. तो किसी चीज़ की destination के बारे में भी हमें बताता है. Do not throw pebbles at the dog. The hunter took aim at the buck. The different kinds of prepositions are: preposition of time के लिए हम use करते हैं at, on, in, for, till और until, before, after, during, by. Preposition of place के लिए we use at, on, in, between, among, below, above, under, over, behind, in, front of. Preposition of direction and movement के लिए we use into, out of, to, towards, along, across, under, over, through. Appropriate prepositions: certain verbs, nouns and adjectives are typically followed by specific prepositions. Examples: he finally decided on buying the house. Verb plus preposition. Okay? Now there is a limit to what I can tolerate. यहाँ पर ये हुए हैं noun plus preposition and he is different from his father, adjective plus preposition. Prepositions with verbs. Some verbs always pair with particular preposition. हमेशा इनके साथ होती हैं कुछ particular preposition के साथ. किस लिए? To complete their meaning. Examples: she applied for the position of manager. Verb apply. They believe in hard work and honesty. Verb believe है यहाँ पर. Please listen to your teacher attentively. Verb है listen. Now prepositions with noun. Certain nouns are followed by specific preposition that express relationship like possession, reason or direction. So he has deep respect for his elders. Noun है यहाँ पर respect. There's been a sharp increase in fuel prices. Noun है increase. And she gave me good advice on financial planning. Noun है यहाँ पर advice. Prepositions with adjectives. Adjectives often take certain preposition to show the cause, source or direction of emotion or state. Examples: he is interested in learning French. Adjective है interested. She was angry with her friend for being late. Adjective है यहाँ पर angry. They are proud of their achievements. Adjective है यहाँ पर proud. Group preposition. Group prepositions होती हैं बच्चों according to, on order to, away from, because of, in front of, in addition to, on behalf of, by means of. Rest group prepositions आप खुद पढ़िए और इन्हें अच्छे से लर्न भी कीजिए. हम चलेंगे पोजीशन ऑफ prepositions पर. Prepositions normally come before their object. ये object से पहले आती हैं, noun हो या pronoun हो, but there are some exceptions to this rule which are described below. कुछ exceptions भी होते हैं जहाँ पर ये बाद में भी आ सकती हैं, जैसे कि the preposition comes at the end when its object is a question word. अगर object जो है वो एक question word है तो फिर ये बाद में ये आएंगी, जैसे कि what is he talking about, what did he hit you with. The preposition comes at the end of a clause. Clause के बाद में preposition आती है beginning with that, जो कि that से start होता है. That is the girl that I was speaking to. तो यहाँ पर देखें आप बाद में आई है. Sometimes that is omitted, okay, but the meaning stays the same. लेकिन meaning उसका वही रहता है, जो that है वो गायब हो जाता है. जैसे कि this is the secret I was hinting at. अब हम इसे ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, this is the secret that I was hinting at. This is the problem I was worried about. So meaning stays the same. So preposition end में ही आई है. Now preposition and adverbs. Certain words that are usually prepositions can also function as adverbs depending on how they are used in a sentence. Look at these examples. Adverb है she stayed behind. Preposition she walked behind the curtain. He went in quickly. यहाँ पर in adverb है. He went in the room. यहाँ पर in preposition है. He ran out. They ran out of the house. Correct use of preposition of place, at. Used for a specific point or location. अगर हमें specific point या location के बारे में बताना है तो हम at का use करेंगे. Examples हैं she is waiting at the railway station. We met at 45 Green Avenue. He is studying at Oxford University. In used for enclosed spaces, cities, countries or large areas. Example, my cousins live in Mumbai. The milk is kept in the fridge. There are many beautiful lakes in Switzerland. On कब use करते हैं? Used when something is placed on a surface. Example, the books are on the shelf. He wrote a note on the whiteboard. The photo frame is hanging on the wall. So एक surface पर कुछ रखा हो तो हम on का use करेंगे. Now study the following carefully. At 7 p.m. at Christmas, at dinner, in summer, in 1947, in August, on Friday, on the 15th of August, on Sunday morning. Into, used as a preposition of direction or movement. Example, the frog jumped into the pond. The girl ran into her room. So ये direction और movement को show करने के लिए हम use करते हैं. Between का use करते हैं हम when referring to two people or things. जब दो लोगों की या दो चीज़ों की बात हो. Among when used when referring to more than two. Example, the ball rolled between the two chairs. 2 chairs की बात है, so we put between. The teacher walked among the student. above का यूज करते हैं higher than something, not necessarily touching. below का lower than something, not necessarily touching. over का directly higher can mean covering or crossing. under का directly beneath something. examples, the helicopter flew above the mountains, मतलब mountains से ऊपर है. the treasure was buried below the old oak tree. A blanket was spread over the body. Okay, directly higher है. The puppy hid under the bed during the storm. beside का यूज करते हैं बच्चों हम next to, by the side of के लिए. besides का यूज करते हैं हम in addition to, apart from. My bag is lying beside the sofa. Okay, we have other option besides going to the beach. by का यूज करते हैं हम refer to the agent or doer of the action. और with का यूज हम करते हैं refers to the instrument used to do something. the cake was cut with a silver knife. the letter was written by Sarah. now certain words are always followed by certain prepositions. some of them are given below. जैसे कि adapt to, according to, afraid of, agree with, angry with or at, ashamed of, aware of, belong to, blame for, call on, care for, charge with, collide with और confide to. इसी तरह से आपने इन सब को बच्चों अच्छे से लर्न करना है और इन्हें खुद पढ़ना है. राइट, लेट्स स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइजेस. लेट्स प्रैक्टिस. fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. I have marked here. This circus begins at 6 p.m. The lion is under a shady tree. The files are inside the drawer. The thief killed him with a dagger. The eagles flew over the buildings. She knows French besides German, यानी कि German के अलावा. Who was the thief caught by? These three parts you will do yourself. Fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. The cat jumped on the table and broke the vase. I am fond of ice creams and cakes. The guests sat at the dining table for the dinner. The valuables were kept in a box. The novel was written by a well-known author. Never jump from a moving train. Rest part, children, you will do yourself. Fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. You should be ashamed of your behavior. Distribute the candies among children. बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं तो among children. The spacecraft flew through the Earth's atmosphere. The Christians go to church on Sundays. I have to choose between a dress and a bag as my birthday gift. The thief ran along the street and disappeared into a lane. While on safari, we had to drive through a dense forest. Who is this gift meant for? Do not boast about your wealth. And the mouse was grateful to the lion for its kindness. Fill in the blanks with suitable group preposition. He died for his country. The letter was sealed with wax. All government offices will remain closed on Mahavir Jayanti. During the earthquake, many people became homeless. We may dial 102 for any emergency. He died fighting on for his country. Rest of the part, children, you will do yourself. So this chapter ends here. I hope that you have understood it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.